All right, so these chords make up a lot of the basis of the song. So you just kind of got to use your ears and fit these parts in. But what I was doing is just a very simple F sharp minor chord. So your index finger sets on 2nd fret of G, ring finger 4th fret of D, and you just focus your strum from the D string down through the high E. And you're going to do that twice, and just strum twice. All right. Then you're going to go to an A chord, so index finger 2nd fret of D, middle finger 2nd fret of G, ring finger 2nd fret of B. Some people like to use those fingers, but either way you're going to just strum that A chord twice, kind of focus from the A string down. All right, so it goes back and forth between those two chords, I think, for all of these verses. So you just kind of use your ears and just strum twice for the F sharp minor, twice for the A. Then it goes into this little driving thing. Okay, so that's just starting on a D chord, index finger 2nd fret of G, middle finger 2nd fret of high E, ring finger 3rd fret of B. This one I focus my strum from the A string down through the high E. And right after each strum, you just rest the side of your hand on the strings to mute them out. So you do 4 strums. Then we go to an E chord. Index finger slides down to 1st fret of G, middle finger 2nd fret of A, ring finger 2nd fret of D. And you can strum all the strings, same concept. All right. Then we go to our F sharp minor. Again, strumming kind of focused from the D string down. So the B and the high E are ringing open. All right, and then A. And then it'll go through that again. And then it pauses on that last A, just one strum. And then you're going to do this little riff. So what that is just, it's all on the D and the G string. So you start on the D, 2nd fret, index finger, and then middle finger, 3rd fret. So you go, and you're going to walk to ring finger on 4th fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret. So you go one more time. Now right after that, you're going to reach your index finger down to 2nd fret of the G and pluck twice. So you've got, then you're going to do that again, except you're going to go to 4th fret of the G with your ring finger. So you've got, and then it repeats. All right, a little slower. All right, so that's pretty much the basis for all those parts. right, so as you can hear, the bridge comes out of this section. So just listen for that. So the chords for the bridge, what I was playing was just D. So we went over that one. And then we went over E. We do have to throw in this B. So index finger, 2nd fret of A, ring finger, 4th fret of D, pinky, 4th fret of G. And you focus from the A down, and the B and the high E are open. All right, so you've got then to your F sharp minor to E, and it repeats D, E, B, F sharp minor, E. All right, and then to come out of that section, it'll go back into that little riff again. So I think that's pretty much all the sections. The outro, I think, is pretty much just rocking through that riff. I don't know if that goes through any more of the progression or whatever, but that should be all the sections you need for this song. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.